Welcome to the NeoBlock Quick Release Sanding Block Video Manual. In this video, we'll go over NeoBlock's basic operations, daily use, maintenance, and troubleshooting. First, let's get to know the NeoBlock. It's made up of a fixed unit and a replaceable sanding unit in different shapes. On the fixed unit, one side has a tightening lever, and the other side has a release button. Push the release button forward to loosen the sanding belt. Align the new belt evenly on both sides, then pull the tightening lever outwards 2 to 3 times to secure it. Do not pull the tightening lever too hard. Over-pulling may damage the internal mechanism. Even when tight, the belt can still be moved by force, so don't try to jam or overstrain it. After loosening the sanding belt with the release button, remove the belt and take off the sanding unit. Choose another sanding unit according to your project's shape needs. Reinstall the sanding belt, align it evenly, and pull the tightening lever 2 to 3 times to secure it. All sanding belts are fully interchangeable between different sanding heads. NeoBlock uses a mechanical locking system. If it gets wet, dry it promptly to prevent rust. For long-term use, apply standard lubricant inside the gaps of the mechanism, such as the area beneath the tightening lever's silicone pad. Tightening lever feels loose. If the spring jams when tightening, press the release button, then pull the tightening lever quickly 2 to 3 times. If the problem continues, the lever's internal parts may need lubrication. Release button is stuck. If you can't remove the sanding belt, press the button harder with your hand protected by a soft cloth. Important: avoid using third-party sanding belts. A difference in belt length may prevent proper locking.